Hi guys, I'm Miss Fluffy back with another video. So today we'll be making Ackee and Saltfish, Jamaican national dish. And I have my friend right here, Samantha.
Hi, how are you guys?
She'll be making the dish for us, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so what you're going to need to make this Ackee and Saltfish. Obviously you're going to need the Ackee, 2 cans of Ackee. You can get them at your local grocery store, Publix or Walmart. Salt, black pepper. You're going to need a little butter. You're going to need saltfish. You guys also call this codfish. Bell pepper. 2 small onions. Scallion. Tomato. This is optional. You don't have to use tomato, but this is optional. Self-rising flour or regular flour with baking powder. And cornmeal. This is also optional. Alright guys, so we have the saltfish boiling. Let it boil for 10 minutes. Then you throw off the water. Put fresh water. And let it boil for another 10 minutes because this is very salty. So in total, let it boil for 20 minutes. Alright guys, so we got 1 cup of self-rising flour, ½ cup of cornmeal, and 1 tablespoon of salt. And we're going to put...
Okay, so we're going to use 2 cups of water to make the dough. So we're going to knead the dough into the water.
Alright guys, this is the real island way to do this. Ain't no fancy nothing.
Bare hand.
Bare hand, just your hands. If y'all don't feel comfortable, you can use a gloves. But we're doing it all old school, the right way. So right now she's mixing the flour, the cornmeal,
and the butter,
and a little pinch of salt. Self-rising flour. Now she gonna mix it in until it forms a dough. And we'll be right back. Alright guys, so Samantha is here forming the dough into a circular motion. Go ahead.
Circular motion. So other people make dough different ways, but this is just my way of making dough, okay? So I'm just gonna knead it a little. And then put it in the pot.
Guys, follow the motions because I don't know how to explain this. Circular motion and then you press flat.
In the middle.
Yep. There you go.
That's like
There you
this.
go, just like that. And the oil we're using is virgin oil. Oh, there you go. You can also use regular oil or whatever oil you have. And we still have the saltfish boiling. Remember, let it boil for 20 minutes because it's really salty. There you go. Fried dumpling, guys. Fried dumpling. Jamaican style. Alright, guys. So we got the onions cut up, the green pepper, scallion, and tomato. Yes, guys, you actually need tomato. This threw me off with the grape tomatoes. I usually use a regular one. Well, you definitely need tomatoes to make this. Alright guys, so make sure you fry the dumpling 7 to 8 minutes on one side. You flip it over, the same thing. And keep the temperature low. Each stove is different. Keep the temperature low. Right now we're cooking it on 3. So keep it low. Alright guys, so she's taking out the dumpling. Make sure you put it in something with some paper towel to absorb all the grease. There you go. And that's it. That's how you make fried dumpling. Jamaican fried dumpling. Nice and fluffy. Ooh, that shit too hot. Alright guys, so saltfish been boiling for 20 minutes. So now what Samantha is doing, she's just breaking it up into smaller pieces. And make sure you guys get all the little bones. You saw that little bone she took out? Make sure you get all the bones. Because ain't nobody trying to choke on nothing. If you know what I mean. Alright, and that's it.
Peppers. Then some fine bits of scallion, some tomatoes, and onion.
Alright guys, we're just using the same oil that we use to fry the dumpling. That's what we always do. So just stir it around until it gets a little soft.
Yeah. We're gonna saute the
Yeah, saute. That's the word I was looking for. Doesn't that look curdy?
Yes, it does. So tasty.
We'll be right back. Next, we're just gonna add the ackee and the saltfish and a little salt. Alright, guys, she just sauteed it for 3 minutes now. Now she's adding the saltfish. Alright guys.
Now I'm gonna add the ackee into the ingredients. Look at that.
Guys, we're cooking for a family. This is a lot for 2 people, but we're cooking for more. If it's just for you or you and your partner,
you can go ahead and use one.
Yeah, just use one can.
Yeah.
Just use 1 can of ackee, and that'll be it. So this is it, guys. Just next, we're just gonna put a pepper.
Teaspoon of black pepper.
Well, I like mine a little spicy.
Yeah. The black pepper will give it a spicy taste, and then a pinch of salt. I'm using the
fine Himalayan pink salt.
Yeah.
Fancy salt, guys. I just use the regular salt with the lady on the front.
Whichever salt you want to use, that's fine.
Whatever
salt
you have.
I choose to use that salt.
If you don't have any salt, just use whatever seasoning you have in your cabinet. Alright guys, so we're gonna try this Ackee and Saltfish. See what I told you about the bone? Delicious. Dumpling.
Oh, this is good.
Really good.
Just natural season and that's it.
Yo, dumpling goes good with anything. I can eat dumpling with everything. If y'all wonder how I got this fluffy, Ackee and Saltfish. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my other videos. Don't forget to check out my other videos. I have another video on how to make milkshake. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.